Morning. Happy Tuesday. Today's the day I find out how much I can actually tolerate physically. I don't know if it rained. It didn't look like it. It's just good. And once I wake up, I can try to mow the lawn. I got you. There you go. Have a good time with that. I'm very tired. I don't even know what time I went to bed last night. Oh, come on. There we go. I don't think I stayed up too late. Oh, you know what it was? Russ and his TV was on. His TV. Bedroom TV. On wrestling. People shouting and stuff. Woke me up and then I can't get back to sleep. Sometimes I wish we had 2 remotes. One for each side of the bed. So that way I could just turn off the TV. Because he's asleep. I could just turn off the TV. I wish we had like a timer for the TV. Here's all greens, Herbie, because you gotta eat your greens. Anyway, so I can turn off the TV if it wakes me up without having to ask Russ for a remote, you know. People say, or studies say, that you're not supposed to sleep with the remote, the TV on, or you shouldn't have a TV in your bedroom or something. I don't know, but I'm probably like 90% of people have TVs in their bedroom. There's just people, you know, she could just turn it off. You'll go poop. Okay, good. Yep. So, there you go, Gigi. Go poop. I don't even know. I got nothing to add. Gigi's going to the bathroom, go poop. Then I'm going to go to the bathroom and I'm going to stab myself with a needle. Then I go back to bed because I'm tired. That's what people who don't have to work do. They go back to bed, usually. If they can go back to sleep, that's what they're going to do. Anyways, I'll talk at you later. Okay, bye. Should have woke up an hour ago. It started to rain, and raining. At first it was sprinkles. I'm like, all right, to mow through it. Doesn't seem like the sky is not super dark, so it doesn't seem like it's gonna rain too hard. And then it started to fat rain. Well, I got like a third of the lawn mowed anyway in the back. It's better than nothing, I suppose. So, as far as working out, I think I could definitely do a good cardio today, later on. But right now, I need to take a shower. Yeah, talk to you later. It didn't rain long, but it rained enough to soak the ground where I'm not able to mow the lawn. The reason why you can't mow the lawn when the grass is wet is because it'll get stuck in your lawnmower, or at least it does mine. I don't know about everybody else's. And then it stops working. Temporarily, you know, until the grass stuck in your lawnmower dries out and falls off. But still, it's a hindrance. So before I went out to mow the lawn. Before I went out to mow the lawn, when I went out to mow the lawn, I felt what I'm now interpreting as hunger pains. Basically, my stomach feels kind of tight, and then like inside, not my muscles, but anyways, stomach feels kind of tight inside, and I'm gonna eat this actually. And then I feel a little nauseous, like lightheaded and nauseous. You know when people don't eat all day and they're really hangry, they feel lightheaded and nauseous and irritable. It feels like that, except there's no growling of the stomach or anything like that. So that's how what I'm interpreting is the hunger pains. So after I wash my hair, normally I put in, like if I want a light moisturizer, I'll put in the spray, the coconut water mist. Well, I wanted a little heavier moisturizer today, so I put in Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. That's why it's nice and shiny, and I actually brushed it through as opposed to just scrunching. So I did that. I brushed it forward, like my hair, I was laying down, my head was down like this and over here. Brushed it all forward, brushed it in really good. When I flipped it back, then I scrunched it down, kind of did this work through my hair. So anyways, I'm hoping it's not going to get fluffy, but we'll see once it dries. I'm going to eat this food, which has ground beef and shells, noodle shells, and like cheese and stuff. So Russ made it last night, probably thinking I wasn't going to be able to eat it. I'm like, yeah, I can eat it. Anyway, that's it. Talk to you later. Well, so much for my hair not getting frizzy. I guess it could be worse, but still. It feels nice. Feels, ouch, soft. My dishwasher's open, and I'm not going to close it because I don't want to do the dishes. I'm going to have a pudding. Russ is grocery shopping. It's like 6:45 right now. He's grocery shopping. Most likely he's doing it while he's hungry, which means, depending on where he went to, he's probably going to get stuff we don't need. He texted me earlier asking if I could have grapes. Unfortunately, grapes are not a soft food. The skin on it is not. It doesn't digest easy. I guess. So anyways, time for pudding. I'm watching this movie called Holidays. It's about like creepy stories for different holidays, right? They just finished Father's Day. I guess the next one would be 4th of July. In America, anyway. So, I'm gonna finish watching that while I eat my pudding. Okay, bye. Alright, so Russ has been home. Been home for a while. He went shopping. He got bananas. He got vegetables. He didn't get any other fruits. But look at our refrigerator. Just stocked. Stacked here. And up here. It's full up. Meat and everything. It's good stuff. We got more up in here. Full up. We got food. Food for days and weeks and probably a month. Depending on how much we eat. Well, how much he eats, I should say. Because it's not me anymore. It's not me. Can't be. He got me cottage cheese, which is great. I'm gonna have some cottage cheese. I eat the cottage cheese right out the container. I like cottage cheese. Do you know if you blender up cottage cheese, it makes sour cream? It's slightly different, but still. Alright, gonna eat this. Alright, so I'm gonna finish watching Jimmy Fallon, and then I'm gonna go to bed. So since I don't have anything else to add to today, I will bid you adieu and have a good night. Toodles!